Hey guys, it's US Storms and Sirens. Welcome to another video. Today we're getting some strong thunderstorms in Frisco today. It's currently raining right now, as you can see. It is a little bit windy. These winds are probably like... Oh my gosh! There goes a hanger. These winds are like maybe 10 miles per hour. The rain is picking up like crazy. Oh, there's thunder. Oh, there's a bee. Or that's a fly. Not. Oh, it's raining buckets right now, guys. It's still raining like buckets. There's the wind. There's the wind. All the water's just coming off my cypress. I'm sorry that I started this storm video late. I don't know why. I don't know when storms are going to start, okay? I just don't know when they're going to start. Yeah, it is raining very hard. The strong part is not here yet, but it will be here in a few minutes. There's the wind blowing. Oh my gosh, there it is. Oh my gosh, look at the rain blowing sideways over there. There's the wind, there's the wind. Okay, I'll be back in a sec. Alright, I'm back. I'm gonna wipe off my camera. Okay, there we go. There's the thunder. Guys, I always start storm videos late, and I can't stop being mad at myself about that. But I do really apologize. I'm very, very sorry. Because I don't know when they're gonna flip and start, okay? I just don't know when the main part's coming in. But anyways, everything's going good so far. Just rain and wind. There goes the wind again. I hear wind chimes. Guys, take a look out there. The live oaks are moving really good. Here, I'm gonna go under the cypress. Let's go, let's go. There's the thunder. Wind's picking up over there. Yeah, it's still raining pretty good out here. But the main part's not here yet. Okay, I'm gonna go back under the porch. There goes the wind. I knew this was going to happen today because, oh my gosh. Man, those two oaks are really hitting it over there. Okay, I need to stand back. A hanger just came out of my oak tree not even a few minutes ago. There goes a piece of bark. Everything is just falling out of the trees. I don't know why. Okay, the rain's starting to slow down, but now we're getting kind of strong wind gusts. The rain stopped, and now it's just wind gusts. I'm like seeking shelter behind my bald cypress. There's the main... I don't know when the actual storm's gonna be here. But I think this was the low part of it. I'm not sure though, but I'm just gonna take that guess right now. There goes the oak tree. I don't know when the actual storm's gonna be here though, but I hope it gets here soon. Wait, don't tell me this was it. This was the weakest storm I've ever seen. Yeah, but the wind's still blowing. Now it's just thunder roars. I think I can go out here real quick. Oh yeah, it's not bad out here. There's my cypress blowing. Oh my gosh. All right, guys, I'm gonna go to the backyard, so I'll see y'all in a moment. All right, we're here in the backyard. We can get a better look at the lightning, because I just saw a lightning strike. Yeah, look at the sky. Oh, there's the lightning over there. This rain didn't last very long. Still raining though. Oh my gosh. That's called a CG right there. That was crazy. There goes the wind a little bit. Man, this wind. Well, guys, I think that's gonna be it. So I appreciate y'all for watching. Like and subscribe. See y'all later.